Hey guys, how's it going? All right, today I've got to clean out the chicken coops, all the chicken coops, the turkey pen, and the goat pen. Got a lot going on. Anyway. Anyway, this has already been cleaned out, and there's a complete bucket full of chicken waste and hay, and there you go. And now we're going to throw that on a compost pile. We're going to wet that down. All right, I had moved my compost pile over to that spot way up over there. All right. We freezer camped our chickens, so I moved. We do the chickens in this whole area, so I moved a compost pile over there, and now I'm bringing it back, and I'm wanting it down. I'm going to go ahead and put all that chicken stuff that we have on here is going here. Everything I'm doing today is going to go back in this pile. I'm just going to wet this down really good. All right, as you can see, I've got hay. This is hay that's been on the ground outside the goat area, and I cleaned that whole area up on the outside, and so I'm putting hay back on top, and we're wetting it down real good. I'm going to go ahead and get this chicken manure, and then we'll set it on top of that. All right, let's go over to the other chicken coop, the meat birds, which are now gone. And I gotta clean this area out. Which ain't that? You can see that right there. That is their chicken coop in 2 days. Every other day I would rake this out. So I've got to clean that all up. And then disconnect the water system, put that up. Everything I have that pertains to this goes inside these barrels right here. So everything stays. I take the barrels, I put them back in here, and they're ready for the next bunch. That's how I keep my stuff gathered and not losing them or use them for other projects, because I have a bad habit of doing that. All right, let me get raking up, clean this up, and I'll bring you back in a bit. All right, now we got to go ahead and clear out the turkeys I keep them the same way every other day. I go in here real quick and just rake it up, push it out this door, and haul it out so they stay pretty clean. Look at that. Look at the faces. Red, white, and blue, guys. Talking about patriotic. Look at them. They're looking nice. All right, got that done. Now we got to start on the goats. Time to get them all raked out. I try to rake up a lot of this in here. Mainly in there, needs to be really taken out and really cleaned up, really good raked out. What are you doing, Jimmy? Huh? Hi, honey. What are you doing, Jimmy? What you doing? Oh, look at these two. This is Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. What you doing, Lily? Huh? And here is Daisy. Hi, Daisy. That's Haas. And then Precious is around the corner. There's, oh, what? You want to lick me? Huh? Hey, Haas. What you doing, buddy? Huh? What you doing? Yeah, you see me in sight, and you knew food or cleaning the pen out, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you like that, don't you, honey? Precious, aren't you going to come around? Huh? You going to come around? No? Okay. What? What? All right, we get this going. All right. We mess with the goats. I mean, you still see some there, but I took out 2 buckets of my tractor. 1 bucket came, no, 3. 1 bucket come out of here, and I raked through here, all the way up through here, and just raked out the door, loaded it up. I put it on my compost pile, and then I'm over here at my second egg layer coop. This is my old chickens. These guys here are 6 years old. And there's only 3 left, so I left them have their own coop. And I cleaned their deal out and threw a bunch of hay back in there again. Changed up their bedding. And so they're done. And I also put this stuff in that same compost pile. So the only thing left I need to do with the compost pile, guys, is I need to cut some grass and put some green grass in there. And we should be really good to go. And just start flipping it, keep flipping it. The compost looked good when I started this today, but I wanted to make a bigger pile. I don't want to make another pile somewhere else, although I do, as I told everybody before, right down, let me see if I'm pointing the right spot, right down in that area right there is another big pile. That pile is nothing but like the viney stuff in the garden. I put that all back there. And like every other cleaning of the goats, I put back in that pile too. That pile sits for like 2 years before I even think of using it. But the turkeys, oh, they look pretty. Red, white, and blue. Hey, boys. What you doing, boys? Huh? What you doing, boys? Huh? What you doing, boys? All right, we're done with all this. It's probably by 5:30, 6 o'clock-ish. And I'm gonna get going, get on in. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for your support.